In today's video, I will walk you through how to recover your Outlook password without access to your phone number or email. First, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft Outlook homepage to begin smoothly. Once the page loads, scroll to the bottom of the page, look for the link labeled Support, and click on it there on the page. After clicking Support, you will be taken to a new page next to Proceed Further. In the center of this page, locate the search bar and click into it then on this page. Type Account Recovery Form into the search bar into the field. From the results, select the first article titled Account Recovery Form from the list. After opening the article, scroll down until you find the button that leads to the Account Recovery Form carefully as instructed for proper completion. Click the button to continue to proceed further. You will now be on the Account Recovery Form page section. This form will ask you to provide information to verify your identity carefully. Once you have filled out the form, submit it there once done. This process may take some time, so allow it to complete patiently without interruption. Keep checking for any messages or updates related to your request there regularly. Once the process is complete, you will be able to regain access to your Outlook account successfully into your account after recovery is complete. Thank you for watching the video.